Assalamu Alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Shohel's English. This is our English speaking course Part-03. In today's lesson, we will learn 30 more useful English sentences that you can use in your daily conversation. So let's get started. আমি খুব খুশি. I am very happy. Repeat after me. I am very happy. আমি খুব দুঃখিত. I am very sad. Repeat after me. I am very sad. আমি একটু ব্যস্ত. I am a little busy. Repeat after me. I am a little busy. আমি এখন free. I am free now. Repeat after me. I am free now. আমি তোমাকে বিশ্বাস করি. I trust you. Repeat after me. I trust you. আমার তোমাকে দরকার. I need you. Repeat after me. I need you. আমি তোমাকে সাহায্য করব. I will help you. Repeat after me. I will help you. তুমি কি আমাকে সাহায্য করতে পারবে? Can you help me? Repeat after me. Can you help me? আমি চেষ্টা করব. I will try. Repeat after me. I will try. আমি আমার সেরাটা দেব. I will do my best. Repeat after me. I will do my best. আমার খুব ভালো লাগছে. I feel great. Repeat after me. I feel great. আমার শরীর ভালো না. I don't feel well. Repeat after me. I don't feel well. আমি একটু বিশ্রাম নিতে চাই. I want to take some rest. Repeat after me. I want to take some rest. আমি তোমার জন্য অপেক্ষা করছি. I am waiting for you. Repeat after me. I am waiting for you. তাড়াতাড়ি এসো. Come quickly. Repeat after me. Come quickly. ধীরে বলো. Speak slowly. Repeat after me. Speak slowly. মনোযোগ দিয়ে শোনো. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Listen carefully. আমি ভুল করেছি. I made a mistake. Repeat after me. I made a mistake. কোনো ব্যাপার না. It's okay. Repeat after me. It's okay. আমি তোমার কথা বুঝতে পারছি. I understand you. Repeat after me. I understand you. আমি তোমার সাথে কথা বলতে চাই. I want to talk to you. Repeat after me. I want to talk to you. তুমি কি ব্যস্ত? Are you busy? Repeat after me. Are you busy? তুমি কি প্রস্তুত? Are you ready? Repeat after me. Are you ready? আমি এখন বের হচ্ছি. I am leaving now. Repeat after me. I am leaving now. আমি এখন ফিরে আসছি. I am coming back now. Repeat after me. I am coming back now. আজ আমার ছুটি. Today is my day off. Repeat after me. Today is my day off. আজ খুব ক্লান্ত. I am very tired. Repeat after me. I am very tired. আমি ঘুমাতে যাচ্ছি. I am going to sleep. Repeat after me. I am going to sleep. তোমার দিনটি শুভ হোক. Have a nice day. Repeat after me. Have a nice day. আবার দেখা হবে. See you later. Repeat after me. See you later. Excellent. Today we learned 30 more useful English sentences. Practice these sentences regularly and try to use in your daily conversation. If you want to more practice, join our WhatsApp group. Link in description. This is Shohel's English. Learn English. Speak confidently. Thank you.